Welcome back, everybody. Today's episode is all about Halloween DIYs that will wow you. I've got 5 last-minute Halloween projects that are so easy, so affordable, you will love them. So what do you say? Let's get started. I am so excited about this first DIY. I have been thinking about it for a long time. This is the spider from Dollar Tree, and I wanted to make it really matte. I didn't want it to shine at all, so I just painted a couple of coats of some chalkboard paint. So I love the color that came out, and then I grabbed the jewels from Dollar Tree as well, and then I just hot glued them in the center and just sort of made a little pattern. I didn't know what I was doing. I just kind of threw them on there, and it looks so cool. I love how this turned out. Look at that. I love these jewels, and sometimes you're like, what do I do with them? Well, they work perfect for our spider today. This little wooden candle holder I got from Hobby Lobby a while back, and I had already painted it. And that is a little tower block that I painted as well. And I just stuck it in there and threw some hot glue and made it stand up. It worked perfectly. I couldn't believe it. And look how elegant and super high end this is. It is a huge wow to me. I hope you love it. I'm not a huge spider fan. Like, I don't want them on me at all, but this one is so fun. I just had to share it with you. I hope you can make one too. Next, I am going to be using this free printable, and I got it from the Suburban Mom website, and I will link her down below. She's got some really great free printables, and I just loved this one. So I grabbed a frame from Family Dollar. This one was $3, and I just love how it kind of looks like something you would see in a haunted house. But you could use any frame that you like, and I just cut it out and put it right in the frame. Instant Halloween decor. I love it. One last little bit that I put on there just to add a pop of color is the little wooden Halloween pieces, little jack-o'-lantern from Dollar Tree. Look how darling this is to sit in an entryway or wherever you like. Love it. Another inexpensive and super easy DIY for Halloween is this letter board that comes with the little letters in each one. And I just took the back of the hanger off of it, and then I have this $1 board from Dollar Tree. It was in the Crafter Square section, or any other frame that you can fit in this letter board. I just wanted to sort of jazz it up and make it look a little bit nicer and sturdy because it's kind of flimsy. But I just used these letters to create a little greeting. Happy Halloween! So one of these had all the letters in it because it doesn't have a lot of choice on there, but it did create the words Happy Halloween. And again, I used these little wooden Halloween stickers, put those on there, just made it really kind of neutral. You could use any stickers that you like. And then I added a very quick bow. This ribbon I got at Dollar Tree as well. So everything is from Dollar Tree. And I just popped that on there. I actually added a little bitty upholstery pin you can see up in there. Just thought it needed one more little touch, but I love how this turned out. It's also sitting on a $1.25 easel from Crafter Square. Wow. This next DIY is sure to wow you as well because it is so easy. I am using these galvanized pieces from Dollar Tree. I tried to hide the holes up at the top with some aluminum foil. You'll also need some giant or whatever wooden dowels that you have. I grabbed these at Walmart and they worked perfectly. And all I did was hot glue them to the back. I just love adding things to a stick. I have a whole episode of fall on a stick from last year. I'll link it down below. It's some really fun things that are on a stick. So let that dry, and now I'm going to use these pencil holders from Dollar Tree. Again, you can use any kind of base that you want. This is just what I had on hand from a previous DIY. I had painted them black, and then I was like, should I have painted the dowels black? Maybe. I just left them plain. They were good for me. I love it. And I just filled them up with some of these little black pebbles. And you could even add a ribbon to maybe the base of the galvanized sign, maybe an orange gingham ribbon or some raffia. I just left mine plain for now. So I hope I've inspired you to create these super easy galvanized signs on a stick. I hope they wowed you. And here comes number 5, my last project of the day. I'm using these witch's feet from Dollar Tree. Now, I've had these for a while. I never did know what I wanted to do with them. And I had 4. What you want to do is get 4, but you want them to match back to back. I had one where the the glitter was showing, but it wasn't any problem because the paint covered right over it. So all I did was just hot glue them together, and then I gave them 2 coats of this chalkboard paint. And here comes the fun part. I had these old Halloween socks. You can use whatever socks that you have. I just happen to have these striped ones. I know that Dollar Tree has some, and I'm not sure where I got them, but anyway, just grab some socks. I also grabbed these funny bones pieces from Dollar Tree and made the little buckle, just hot glued those together. Then I grabbed the white chalk pen from Dollar Tree and just kind of went around the edges. I also had sanded it and just to kind of make it pop out a little bit. Now, these are 3 boards from Dollar Tree that I glued together. You can use whatever scrap wood you have. And I also painted it with burnt umber. It's an acrylic paint, burnt umber. Then I added the tower block, hot glued it on, and it was very sturdy. I also added a welcome sign. Woohoo! It came out so cute. And I also added some of that hula skirt out the top. And it's blowing in the wind. Yeah, be careful with my candle there. But it was blowing in because spirits are coming in. And I just love how this turned out. It was so fun. I was originally going to paint the stripes, but the socks sure did come in handy. But wait, I have a bonus. Did I say I was doing 5? Well, I am doing a bonus today. And here it comes. This is a $3 skull head from Dollar Tree. I was loving that it was $3. I was guessing it was going to be 5 when I looked at it. Nope, it was 3. And then I just took my sponge brush from the burnt umber that I had left over, grabbed some of the skirt, and boom, we have a really fun and happy skull that is got some crazy hair. And look how fun he is. You could even give him a haircut. You could color the hair. But I just thought he was super fun. Had to share him with you. Wow. So I hope you enjoyed all of my Halloween DIY wows. I've got some great new stuff coming up, so make sure that you have subscribed and turned on the alert so that you know when I post my next episode. I hope that you have a wonderful Halloween. I think this is going to be the last Halloween that I do because I'm going to do some fun turkey and some Thanksgiving ideas that I think that you're going to love. So stay tuned to KDIY Channel 146, Soozie Stuff. Bye, everybody. Woo!